कुर्रे अर्ज के साथ हम आहंगी में पायदार तर्ज ज़िंदगी को फ़रोग़ देने के जज्बे को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए 8वें बैनुल-अक़वामी योगा डे की तकरीब आज न्यूयॉर्क में अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के हेडक्वार्टर में मुनक़िद हुई। इस साल के जश्न का मौजू है इंसानियत के लिए योग। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा कदीम तर्ज अमल को सेहत और तंदुरुस्ती के लिए एक जामे नुक़्ते नज़र के तौर पर तस्लीम करता है और योगा को कोविड-19 वबा से पैदा होने वाले दबाव से निमटने के लिए एक ताकतवर ज़रिया तस्लीम किया गया है। अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा के हेडक्वार्टर में मुनक़िदा तकरीब में सैकड़ों लोगों ने शिरकत की। इसमें अमेरिका में मुक़ीम हिंदुस्तानी बाशिंदों की भी खासी तादाद मौजूद थी।
The word yoga means union. Yoga is about being in an experience in which you and the rest of the existence are not separate things. Now, if you do the yoga practices, definitely these benefits will come. You will become more mentally balanced, you'll become physically healthy, but it's a little bit like driving an airplane around on the streets. Yes, you can use it as a bus if you want, but yoga has the potential to take you into the skies.
Being disciplined has its payoffs, and being undisciplined has its effects and its consequences, and you realize that, you know? And so I think what yoga gives is that it gives us tools to make that discipline something pleasurable, actually, because people hear the word discipline and they think, oh, this is going to be boring, or this is going to be too intense, I can't handle it. But yoga and all of its different asana, meditations, pranayama, etc., it actually gives something that makes this discipline attractive and pleasurable and good for you.
You have to breathe to be alive, but being aware of the breath and taking deep breaths. I think when you have mental illness, the breath is everything. When anxiety is prevalent, when fear is prevalent, then return your awareness to the breath, to deep breathe. And also movement. Of course, Hatha yoga is the yoga of movement. So moving your body and being aware of the breath at the same time, I think could really serve people who are struggling with mental illness.